The iPhone SE is back. It looks just like an iPhone 8, has iPhone 11 features, but costs just as much as the original from 4 years ago. Hey guys, I'm MICHAELJOSH and you're watching GadgetMatch. That's right, Apple just announced the iPhone SE 2. Well, actually, they're just calling it the iPhone SE. If you recall, the original iPhone SE borrowed the same shape of the iPhone 5. Well, the new iPhone SE looks just like the iPhone 8 and has the same 4.7-inch Retina HD display. So, if you're a fan of Touch ID, good news is that the single fingerprint sensor / home button lives on another generation. The phone will come in 3 colors: black, white, and product red. But even though on the outside its design is older, its insides have been overhauled to bring the experience up to par with the current crop of iPhones, including the A13 Bionic chip that powers the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. But what about its camera? The new iPhone SE has one rear shooter, a 12-megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization built in. And I know you're wondering, the camera is not the same as the main cameras on the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Apple is actually using the same camera system as the iPhone 8. But thanks to the more powerful neural engine on the A13 Bionic chip, Apple says it's able to use machine learning to deliver stunning photos, calling it, quote, the best single imaging system we've put on a phone. Features like semantic rendering found on the iPhone 11 that allows the phone to identify when there's a person in the shot and make sure that when Smart HDR kicks in, it preserves skin tones. The big difference versus the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro would be that the iPhone SE won't have Deep Fusion and night mode. So how well does it do in low light? We'll have to wait and see. I can't wait to get my hands on the phone to test these claims for myself, but for now, take a look at some sample shots from Apple. A lot of behind-the-scenes magic has also been applied to the Selfie Camera so that it can deliver similar features found on the iPhone 11. Because it doesn't have the true depth camera system that's housed on the big notch of the iPhone 10 and 11, Apple is using a feature they call monocular depth estimation, a fancy term that refers to the use of machine learning to enable portrait lighting features with that single camera. There are many more features worth talking about. Things like wireless charging and support for 30-watt fast charging, stereo audio recording, haptic touch instead of 3D touch, IP67 water and dust resistance, gigabit LTE and Wi-Fi 6, and dual SIM with eSIM functionality. And I can't wait to dive in for a proper unboxing and hands-on video. I promise that's coming your way real soon. But before we end, I think most important is the price tag. In the US, the phone will retail for just under $400, the same price as the original iPhone SE from 2016, which is very refreshing to see at a time when phone prices are getting higher and higher. The phone will come in 3 storage options: 64, 128, and 256 gigabytes. The iPhone SE will be available for pre-order from Apple.com on April 17th, and should start shipping by April 24th. And just in case you're wondering, the iPhone 8 will no longer be sold on Apple.com. This makes the iPhone SE the cheapest iPhone that you can buy today. Alright, I'm gonna keep this video short because I have a longer hands-on video coming real soon, and as always, I want you to be a part of it. Do you have any questions about the new iPhone SE? Is there something you're dying to know? A phone you want me to compare it with? Let me know in the comments section below or send me a question on Instagram, and I will try my best to answer them in my next video. Alright folks, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.